Hi guys, I am Isha Shah Rose and I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Isha is the author and writer. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, inspirational speaker, writer and publisher. Till now she has written 8 book titles of her book which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief. Be a dreamer, confidence produces strength, positive affirmations, the magic of thinking big, give rise to faith and precious daily insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Aisha Shah. The spell is AESHASHAH, and my today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Isha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, which targets each and every age group of the people, and I am providing short preview of her second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me. August 6. Be more dedicated towards your work. You can solid achievements through hard work and efforts. You can run swiftly after your goals, which can provide synthetic happiness. Ultimately, education in its real sense is the pursuit of truth. Education is an endless journey through knowledge and enlightenment. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. A teacher should have a creative mind. August 7. Where there is a righteousness in the heart, there is kindness and grace in the house. When there is kindness and grace in the house, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is harmony in the world. Great teachers emanate out of knowledge, passion, and compassion. I truly believe that I can win. I think if one has tasted the bitter pill of failure, one cannot aspire enough to success, or for success. There has to be a global mission of a human progress. For success of any mission, it is necessary to have a creative leadership. August 8. God is everywhere. Nearly all men can stand adversity. I think it is not about adversity, but if you want to taste a man's character, give him a power. All that I am or hope to be, I owe to my angel mother. You can escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. Whatever you are, be good one or be a good one. August 9. I remember my mother's prayers. My mother's prayers have always followed me. They have motivated me all my life. Better to remain silent. You must not be a fool than to speak out and remove all doubt. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to put my 100% in right manner. I am bound to be true. August 10. I am not related to success, but I am related to live by the light that I have. Things may come to those who wait, but things may left by those who hustle. Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. When I do good, I feel good. When I do bad, I feel bad. That is my religion. Okay, guys, I know nothing of author Isha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 books, read it and inspired my life, and wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya, guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moments of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.